Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about something that can change my life with your help. So please watch the video and help me. I hope you guys enjoy that video. But before I start the video, I need to say something. English is not my native language and I don't have a lot of speaking practice before. So I can make a lot of mistakes, please ignore them. Without further ado, let's start it. I'm going to mention about treating in that video. Why am I doing that? Am I doing that because of money? What you guys can do for helping me. First, I'm trying to earn my education course from YouTube in 7 months. That's because of I don't like my country's education system. And that because we need to take an exam for going to university, and a lot of students start to study to that exam 2 years before the exam, and a lot of them are stop doing their hobbies, stop doing what they like to do. So in my point of view, if young people stop doing their hobbies, stop doing what they like to do, how can they discover themselves? How can they decide what they want to be in their future life? And you may ask what the fuck I'm going to do with that, but stop, not close the video, and I'm explaining. Like, imagine me in England buying a coffee which is £5. That means 40 liras for me because of my country's economic situation. Like, you can understand it. Everything that I'm buying from abroad, I need to multiply that with 8, and that means a lot. Like, think that all the things that you're going to buy, you need to multiply that with 8. It's like, even if you have enough money, that's a lot. So I think how can I earn that much money, also have fun? And I found the answer is YouTube. Now we are in the second part of the video, which is, am I doing that just because of money? No, I'm not doing that just because of money. You're going to understand it. Like, making videos is actually killing 2 birds with 1 stone for me, because I want that YouTube thing nearly half of my life. I watch gaming videos all day long when I was 8 or 9, and then the content that I want to make is changed. Now I don't want to make game videos anymore, but the fact that I want to do YouTube is never changed. I want to do YouTube like nearly, like, I'm serious, nearly I want that half of my life. And finally, I'm 14, I'm starting to do. That's basically explain that I'm not doing this just because of money. So I guess you got your answer. I'm not doing that for money, but making money is also like win-win. I'm doing YouTube, win. I'm having money, win. Like, I'm not making money yet, but I hope I can in 7 months. So now we're in third part of the video, which is how can you help me? I'm not going to give you my IBAN number and want you guys to send me money. I'm not going to do that. Don't close the video. The thing that I want you to do is so simple. Just watch the ads. Yes. Actually, I'm going to explain you that YouTube thing, how it works. Companies want to make their marketing, and for that they're paying YouTube, and people making videos. People make videos and then YouTube put ads on that videos, and the other peoples are watching that videos, watching that apps, and the price that the company gives for that ad is divorcing to two, and half of it goes to YouTube, half of it goes to the YouTuber, the people that upload that video. So that's basically how it works. YouTuber makes money from ads. When you watch the ads, they're earning money. So what I want you guys to do is watching the ads. If you have time, please watch the whole advertisement. It would help me a lot. Like, I'm not joking with you. It could change my life if you just watch that whole advertisement. Yes, when you watch the whole advertisement, probably my life's going to change. And I hope you help me and do that. Actually, there is a second thing that you can do too. If you share my video with your friend or somebody, that people going to watch it too, and when that people watch it too, that people going to watch that ad too. So basically that's the video, but I know there's something that I don't mention about. I forget it. I'm going to think about it. Wait. Hi guys, I think about it, but I can't remember it. But probably at the end of the video there's going to be another ad. If you have time, please watch the whole ad. It could really help me to achieve my dream. Thank you. And now I'm going to tell you a story, because I really worked hard for that video and I want to tell you that video's story. Yeah. Yesterday I worked at least for an hour for recording that video, and then when I started editing the video I realized that I can't speak. For real, in that video I can't put the words together. I always forget the things that I'm going to say, and that's really sucks. For real. And at midnight I sit down and write a speech for that video. I'm not joking, I really write down a speech for that video, and I practiced that speech at least 15 times, and now I record it for a second time. I hope that's better than the other one I delete. That's better than the other one that I delete. Yes, that's the sentence. So anyway, thank you guys for watching that video. See you guys next week. Bye.